Shall we try making chicken lollipop? For preparing chicken lollipop, we need the wings of a chicken. I mean the wing portion of a chicken. With one wing, we can prepare 2 chicken lollipops. With these 2 wings, let's try preparing 4 lollipops. We have to sever these at the point where they join the bones. Turning it on the opposite direction makes the wing separate easily. A lesser portion can be taken if desired. With the fingers moving downwards, if you press the skin, it separates from the bones easily. Apply a little more pressure. Now with a knife, slice the skin portion stuck to the bones and put pressure downwards for easy removal. Now they can be individually separated. Again, press the skin portion downwards with a greater force. See, now one piece is ready. Let's try the next one too. If you see this portion, there are 2 bone pieces. One piece is smaller and the other one is larger. We don't need the smaller bone. So first, remove it and keep it aside. We won't need it. With the help of a knife, slice the skin that is stuck to this bone. This is smaller than the other pieces. We are going to stuff this. This piece is also ready. As I said earlier, in the chicken pieces that we have kept ready, you see one is bulkier and the other one is slightly thinner. We can stuff this one. Let us start stuffing this. These are the items required for stuffing. This is mashed chicken, what we refer to as keema chicken, Cut this into small pieces. Add paneer to this. Add green chilli, then salt, corn flour, and then mix it nicely. Add coriander leaves too, and then again mix it. Add red chili powder and once again mix it. Now we can stuff this. You see, our stuffed lollipop is ready. Just like this, stuff all the pieces. Next, beat an egg nicely and pour the content in a bowl. Add a little salt, red chili powder and corn flour. Mix it well again. You see, you need to mix it like this. Now take all the lollipop pieces, add soya sauce and chili garlic sauce too to it. See to it that the sauce is spread evenly. Now the preparation is over. Pour oil in a pan and heat it. Fry the first stuffed lollipop. Then put the stuffed lollipop in the egg beat so that it is evenly coated. Coat evenly. Then roll it over the breadcrumbs. Fry the chicken pieces in medium flame. Only then it will get fried evenly. Repeat this for all other pieces too. Now all the lollipops are fried. Now take a sharp knife and poke it so that the insides too get fried properly. Just roll it over. Now this piece is ready. It can be taken out. Now put it in a plate that has a tissue paper and then put the lollipop in it. Only then the oil will be absorbed in the paper. Now we are going to fry lollipops that aren't stuffed. Dip this unstuffed lollipop in the egg beat and then fry it. You need not roll it over the breadcrumbs. You will come to know as to why a little later. Just like we did earlier, dip it and poke it with a sharp knife. The insides also have to be fried properly. Now fry these too. See how it is turning golden brown? Now they are ready. The stuffed lollipop can be eaten just like that. The non-stuffed lollipop needs a sauce. As soon as oil is heated up, add tiny pieces of ginger and garlic. After the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away, put minced green chilli and curry leaves. Add coriander and fry them well. 1 minute is more than enough. Add soya sauce and then chili garlic sauce to it. Stir it well. Add a little water and little Ajino moto. Now the sauce is ready for lollipop. We are going to eat the stuffed lollipop straight, and the unstuffed one, if you put it in the sauce and stir it, then that is also ready. Children coming home after a hard day at school will finish the lollipop in no time at all.